What is up you guys, it's your girl Adriana X1 and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought that I would show you guys the Clubfactory package that I received yesterday and also give a review on the website as a whole. So if you guys would like to know more, then just keep on watching. Alright, so before I show you the package, I just thought that I would screen record the website and my order and show you guys exactly how its app looks like. So Clubfactory.com is basically just like wish.com or aliexpress.com, nothing different from it. The only good thing for Indian users like me is that there is now a cash on delivery option and a free shipping option, which is amazing. So I'll just turn on my screen recorder right about now and we can just click on the app and see how it is. So don't mind me, I'm just downloading an app there in the background, but as you can see, you have various different country options. Clicking on your country, if it's there of course, will then change the currency, and it's as simple as that. They always have lightning deals and all that, and that's really cool. You can get many items for less than 100 rupees. You can get amazing shirts within 200 rupees. So as you can see, there are rings for within 100 rupees. There are beautiful sandals for 690 rupees. You've got ear cups, you've got wallets, you've got everything you can even imagine of. You can even search for electronics. So my order was shipped on June 18, but they promised me that I would get it by July 6, and the best thing is it came to me by July 2. So pretty good. This is the little bag that it comes in. I've cut it open just for the sake of this video so that it would be easier. So do keep in mind that all these items come from China or wherever, and so it'll take some time before you get the items because they are trying to source all the items and keep it in one bag and deliver it as one package. So that's what I like when I see reviews of other companies like Wish or AliExpress. Usually they send the packages separately and that causes a lot of confusion, but in Clubfactory you get it all into one big package. So I'll just show you guys the items one by one. I wanted to get this little panda purse. So this was the design that I chose and selected, so everything is correct, it's not faulty, it's not damaged, and it's really cute. It fits in the palm of my hand just correctly. It can be used to store your cards, your keys, or even your earphones. You basically open it up like this, and it's made of silicone. I think it's probably silicone. The next item I got were my jewelries, and I'm pretty sure I ordered them from two different sellers, but it came in this envelope. So neatly packaged, comes in two packets. One is the anklet and one is a chain. Of course, I'll try them on and show you guys, but this is how they came. First one is this really pretty star anklet, and it feels really good, doesn't feel too cheap, and I got it in silver. I usually prefer the color of silver over gold, so that's why I got this, and it gives a little bit of style and flair, and it is exactly as shown in the image. And the next one I got was this multi-layered tassel chain, which is absolutely cute, and I'm sure it'll give quite a good statement in all your dresses or shirts or outfits. And this was exactly as shown in the image as well. So if you want to get jewelry from Wish or from Clubfactory or from AliExpress, jewelry is the safe way to go for. Moving on to the clothes, this was the shorts that I got. It was in this packet. So everything was put in like a Ziploc baggie or plastic bag of some sort. So these are, I think, high-waisted shorts, pretty cute, and this is how they look. These shorts are great for casual wear and would really go well with any crop top, and these were exactly as shown in the image as well. The one thing that I was eagerly waiting for was the crop top. So this is the alien t-shirt crop top. So this is the little patch. It's more like a paint. I thought that it would be stitched on, but I guess they used an iron-on print. That's fine. This is the crop top. I'll be trying it on and showing it to you guys. Pretty comfortable, made of cotton, feels like good quality, doesn't feel cheap at all. And the final thing that I got was this shirt. This pattern has been everywhere on Tumblr and I really wanted to get my hands on it. You see, there are not so many designs of these types in the city that I live in, so I prefer getting my things online. So I thought that this would be really cute. My only issue with it is that I distinctly remember ordering a size small, and there's no way in hell this is a size small because I am as tiny as can be and this is too big for me, and I doubt they even had an XS. So yeah, I will try this on, but I'll try to adjust it as much as I can. Alright guys, that is all for this video. I really do like Clubfactory.com and I might order again from them soon. With the clothes, it's a hit or miss. 2 out of 3 of my clothing turned out great. They fit me very well. Quality is good. The only issue I had was with that one shirt, which was a little bit too big for me. Otherwise, everything was good. The delivery was on time. I have seen a lot of reviews online of people never receiving their items, or that their refund system was very broken and that their customer support isn't the best, but I've not had any issues, so I can't vouch for any of them. But if you do have cash on delivery in your country, all I know is India has it. Opt for cash on delivery, save yourself a risk of getting scammed or not getting your item, and I think you'll be good to go. So if you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. And I do have an Instagram which I post on frequently, and I have a Snapchat, Facebook and Twitter, and my links will be down below in the description bar. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.